Welcome back everyone. Let's go over the essential tools and materials needed for a pen drawing. If you are a beginner and you want to create stunning pen drawing artwork, all you need is a pen and some papers. And as additional tools, we can use pencil, eraser and sharpener. Now let's dive into the fundamental techniques of pen drawings. Visualize yourself mastering these fundamental techniques with ease. Let's start with some basic techniques: lines, hatching, cross hatching, stippling and shading. You can follow along with me as we practice each one. For this practice, you can take a pen which you normally take to write. Better to use a black pen. Here I am using Dom's brand pigment liner pen 0.2 size. And first we have line drawing practice. You can practice with drawing straight lines like this, thin and neat lines, and you can draw horizontal lines like this, also the vertical one. When you practice each line, make sure that it's straight. So just practice it several times to improve the neatness, and it will improve your confidence and concentration. Next is hatching. Hatching is also like this. You can make parallel lines to create a shading effect. You can overlap them. So this is a basic hatching method. So in that way you can make a light and shadow. And there is another method is called cross hatching, in which we start with simple hatching method, then we do the opposite side. So this is called cross hatching. To do the light and shadow, you can add multiple layers of it. Next we have stippling. It's simply making some dots. When you add more dot, less space in between, you can create dark shade effect. Also you can create light and shade effect by varying pressure on your pen. You can draw light lines like this, and you can apply some more pressure, you can draw dark lines. When it comes to hatching, you can draw light lines like this to create a light effect, and you can press it to create a dark shade. Also you can practice drawing a random shape, filling it with some patterns. All these practice methods will improve your concentration and neatness of the drawing. Yes, you can save this video. Remember that with every practice you will notice your skills improving. If you are ready to do this basic line drawing practices, type yes in the comment box, and see you in next video.